Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to cancel transfer on Wise. So as you know, on Wise, you can actually cancel transfer. So for example, let's say we are transferring, for example, here, you can see that I canceled my 997 euros, which I can do by clicking on transactions, right? And then on transactions, what I can do is I can basically go here and click cancel. Or I can go here and then cancel if I have the option, but usually it's around here and then you can just click cancel. So that's basically how to do it. It's really simple, right? And you can do this for each of your transactions. Obviously, if you want to see all transactions, you need to go here to see all, and then you will be able to see all transactions, and then you will be able to go click on the transaction, and then on transaction you will see cancel, right? And click cancel, and that's pretty much it, right? So that's basically how to cancel your transaction, sorry. And yeah, you can do this with, again, any transactions that are currently ongoing. So if a basically transfer is already done, you cannot do pretty much anything to retrieve it other than, call a support or stuff like that, right? And you can go here and then help center if that is the case. So that's pretty much how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.